Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your ROBOROCK Saros Z70 not mopping or not dispensing water. First, let's go to the app and ensure a few things. So if you click on the button in the bottom left corner, you'll find vacuum and mop, mop or vacuum. Make sure it's selected to either vacuum and mop or just mop, because vacuum mode won't mop. Then you can also adjust the water flow, and it's pretty important. Try setting it to a higher value, or you can set it even higher if you click on this editing button and then click on it, and now you can adjust the slider. Try setting it all the way up and see how much water it does, then if it does any. What is important is that sometimes setting it to the extreme one may be too much, even if in other modes it wasn't dispensing water. Then just like if you see it's leaving too much water, then set it down again, and maybe it'll unblock some ways of some tubes, pipes, whatever. Then the next thing to try is to go to the robots settings, which are in the top right corner of the app right here, and then you should go to that will be in, I believe, dock settings, dock maintenance, and you can start self-cleaning for cleaning tray. Then you could also drain onboard water tank. These will take some time, but will happen automatically and may help fixing some of the issues. And of course, besides that, ensure that the water tanks are properly installed. Both the dirty water tank and the clean water tank, they are on top of your device. After removing them, ensure that the one on the left, this is the dirty water tank, make sure it's empty, and the clean water tank, make sure it's full. And then try reseating them properly so they're all the way in. And that should fix the issue. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.